What would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? What would happen to people, animals, and even plants? Would life on our planet continue, or would it cease to exist? Let's find out. The Earth is spinning. It makes one full rotation on its axis every 27 days. As a result, various natural phenomena occur on our planet, including the change of day and night. Also, because of this, the Earth is not quite a sphere, but rather an oblate spheroid, a bit wider at the equator than at the poles. And most importantly, because of the rotation of our planet, centrifugal force arises, which somewhat weakens the force of gravity. But what would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? First, we'll take into account the fact that the Earth does not stop instantly. It slows down for several months from the moment the rotation stops until it comes to a complete stop. During this time, everything on the surface of the Earth keeps moving at a speed of about 1,600 kilometers per hour. This is the speed at which the Earth spins at the equator. And when our planet completely stops, all water bodies and objects on its surface will continue to move at the same speed, only now in a different direction. Oceans will surge, huge waves, tsunami over 100 meters high will roll across the planet. Moreover, the water level on the eastern shores of the oceans will rise by about 40 centimeters. There will be a strong wind, more than 320 kilometers per hour, which will blow from east to west. And the most interesting thing is that it will not subside for a very long time due to the inertia of the Earth's rotation. Also, strong winds will carry away soil and rock from the eastern coast, and the destruction will be comparable to the most powerful earthquakes. In general, nothing like this has happened in the history of our planet. Therefore, scientists can only make assumptions about what exactly will happen if the Earth stops spinning. Let us also add that after the Earth stops spinning, there will be no more day and night as we understand it. One part of the planet will be in constant sunlight, and the other in eternal darkness. And since the Earth will be slightly flattened at the poles, there will be more sunlight at the equator. And even if you don't care about anything else and are only interested in your own survival, then you should know that if the Earth stops spinning, even that won't work. After all, centrifugal force will disappear, which means that gravity will get stronger. Its value at the equator will increase by almost 3%. The Earth will become more dense and the atmosphere will partially collapse to the Earth's core. And the weather will change dramatically since the rotation of our planet affects not only gravity and the shape of the Earth, but also the weather. For example, cyclones and anticyclones are formed due to the rotation of the Earth. And without rotation, they simply would not exist. Also, ocean currents that distribute heat around the planet will disappear. As a result, there will be an incredible number of storms and hurricanes, the likes of which humanity has never seen before. In short, in case you didn't realize it yet, if the Earth stops spinning, life on our planet will simply cease to exist. Some scientists even suggest that such an event could lead to the extinction of our planet. Over time, the Earth will turn into a strange hot potato shape, and this will happen due to the fact that the mantle will settle in a new way. For a long time, our planet will be accompanied by strong tremors, after which it will become less in size by a few centimeters. But even this will not happen quickly. Scientists estimate that it will take millions of years. Perhaps someday the Earth will begin to spin in the opposite direction. Our planet does have a moment of inertia. It tends to maintain its state of motion, and such a reversal of the rotation of the Earth is quite capable of some external force. Moreover, according to NASA, the Earth's rotation speed can change by up to 10 kilometers per hour in a year. But even if this happens, we still shouldn't expect any cataclysms. Changes will affect the duration of the day and the force of gravity, but within a year, these changes will be almost imperceptible. So let us just hope that the Earth will never stop spinning so that the oceans don't start raging and don't destroy all life on our planet. But what do you think will happen if the Earth stops spinning? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments. And that's all for today. See you soon. Bye.